Another question. 200 ml of N by 10 HCl, nothing but 1 by 10 HCl, 0.1 normal HCl, were added to 1 gram of limestone. What would remain after the completion of the reaction? So here you are taking 1 gram of limestone, calcium carbonate. To this, you are adding 200 ml of acid HCl. So here calcium carbonate, a metal carbonate, basic in nature, and acid we are adding, so neutralization reaction takes place. So the question is an acid base reaction once again. So CaCO3 reacts with an acid, that is HCl, to give CaCl2 plus H2O and CO2. And CO2 being a gas goes out. So now the question is, what would remain after the reaction? Will some amount of limestone will be left over? Will some acid left over without reacting? Or both of these will react totally and give calcium chloride and water? What exactly will remain after the reaction between these calcium carbonate and HCl is the question. And we are given here 1 gram of calcium carbonate, and for pure calcium carbonate of 1 gram, the molecular weight of limestone being 100, because calcium is 40, carbon 12, 52 plus 16 to 3, 48, 52 plus 48, 100, and it is a salt which will give Ca2 plus CO3 2 minus. So the charge is the N factor 2. Therefore, equivalent weight of calcium carbonate is 100 by 2. That comes out to be 50. Therefore, number of equivalents of limestone, how much? We are given 1 gram and 50 is the equivalent weight. 1 by 50 is how much? 0.02. So altogether we are having 0.02 equivalents of calcium carbonate. Then what about HCl? We are given 200 ml of 1 by 10, that is 0.1 normal HCl. So here volume is given in ml and normality is given n by 10, it is 0.1 normal HCl. So therefore normality is equal to 0.1. Therefore number of milliequivalents is 200 into 0.1, 20 milliequivalents. Thereby number of milliequivalents of HCl is how much? That is 200 into 0.1, that comes out to be 20 milliequivalents. But here we have equivalents, here we have milliequivalents. So 0.02 equivalents is nothing but 0.02 into 1000, that is 20 milliequivalents. In other words, 0.02 equivalents or 20 milliequivalents is same. So limestone what is taken is 20 milliequivalents. What is the acid taken is 20 milliequivalents, and substances combined in the ratio of their equivalents are milliequivalents. So 20 milliequivalents will be neutralized by 20 milliequivalents. So in other words, after the reaction, calcium carbonate being totally reacted, it will not be present, nor HCl which is reacting totally will not be present. And carbon dioxide gas goes out, and what is left over is only calcium chloride and water. So after the reaction, the substances left over will be CaCl2 calcium chloride and another one is water. So these are the substances that remain in the solution. So D, if you can see, CaCl2 and water, therefore D is the answer. Calcium carbonate totally reacted, it will not remain. HCl totally reacted, it will not remain. So both A and B is also wrong. So D is the answer.